Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel Intelligent Learners. Yes, I'm very late with this video, but no problem. Boards are approaching, so I thought I will make this video for the students of mine of class 10. So this video is all about how your 100 marks paper is divided, right? The 80 and the 20 ratio. So let's discuss. And before starting this video, please share my video if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel Intelligent Learners, right? So let's start the video. So I'm sharing my screen with you to tell you how many units do you have in your maths book. So in your class 10th maths book, you have 7 units, right? I'm sharing my screen, so please see to it. So these are the units you have in your maths book. 7 units you have. Unit first is all about the number system. Unit 2 is all about your algebra. Then you have the coordinate geometry. Then you have geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, statistic, and probability. Your maths book is comprised of chapters, not the units. So how the chapters are in this? The last 2 chapters is of statistic and probability. Then mensuration is surface area and volume. Then you have trigonometry, in which you have 2 chapters. One, the introduction to trigonometry, and second one is the applications of trigonometry. Then you have of geometry, in which you have the triangles and you have the circles. Then you have the coordinate geometry chapter number 7. Then you have algebra, in which you have the polynomials, you have the quadratic, you have the arithmetic progression, and then you have the number system, which is the real numbers chapter, right? So these are your chapters. Now how marks is divided into that, so that we will discuss later in the another video, because this marks is as per the units, not about the chapters, right? So next we will discuss about how your 100 marks paper is divided into different parts. Okay, so let me share my screen again, so kindly wait. So yes, I'm sharing my screen again. So this is the portion how your 100 marks paper is divided. 100 marks is divided into 80 and 20 ratio, right? 80 to 20. Now first of all, we'll discuss about this 20 marks. So this is the theoretical exam that you have to perform to go to the another center. जो भी आपका सेंटर लगा होगा जिस स्कूल में भी, तो वहां पे आपको theoretical exam perform करना है, जो पेपर देना है आपको, that is of 80 marks. Then you have 20 marks of internal assessment. So this is of 20 marks. Now how this 20 marks is divided, let's discuss that, right? So I'm sharing my screen with you. So this is the 20 marks division. So this whole gives you 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is that of 20. So this is the pen paper test that you are giving in your school, whatever the test you have from the starting of the session to the end. That 5 marks is of test, 5 marks of the multiple assessment that you have of. Then you have the lab practical, in which you just have to make a file, because there is no lab practical of mathematics in schools. So you just have to prepare a file on any topic. Then you have the portfolio, whatever the notebooks you are preparing in a complete session, that is of 5 marks. So whole marks gives you 20 part, which is a very, very important portion. If you will get 20 marks, it means you have collected that 20 marks in your exam. Now, 20 marks are very, very important. So please maintain your notebooks if you have not up till today. So please maintain it fast so that you will get that 5 marks. Then please make a file for the lab practical, whatever the topic you have, please make it. If your teacher has given to your topic, please maintain on that. And if you have to select by yourself as per your school, so please maintain. Then whatever the test you have, they are of much importance. But अभी तो session complete होने पे है, तो I think टेस्ट में जो भी आपके मार्क्स आए होंगे, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट टीचर्स आपको 3, 4 जो भी आपको देना चाहेगी, दैट शी विल गिव. सो इफ यू हैव स्कोर्ड दिस 20 मार्क्स, तो आपके 20 मार्क्स तो पक्के हैं, राइट? देन let's discuss about the marks pattern, which is very, very important. So again, I'm sharing my screen to you. Yes, so 80 marks, which is of the higher weightage, right? These 80 marks. This 80 marks is divided according to the number of questions. Total number of question in your exam will of 38. 38 question will come in your exam, in which 20 marks question are of 1 marks. Means one question of 1 marks, 20 are there, right? Then 5 questions of 2 marks, which are very short answer question. 2 marks question means of 2 lines. Then you have 6 question of 3 marks each, right? Then you have 4 questions of 5 marks, which are of long question, and the case study based question, which is of higher weightage, are of 4 marks. 3 questions of 4 marks. So means 38 questions of 80 marks, in which these MCQs are very, very important. MCQs means the multiple choice questions, very, very important, of 1 marker. These questions will not take more than 2 seconds or 3 seconds to complete. So please complete them. Then 2 marks question are very easy. Then 3 marks question, 5 marks question, 4 marks question. They are of difficulty level, right? The difficulty level is little higher. In case study based question, many of the students are not able to understand that this question is from which chapter. That is a very important thing. So please, for that you have to understand the base, whatever the case base is given to you, you have to understand that. So this is whole pattern of the maths exam. If you have any question, please write in the comment box that ma'am, this is not clear or this we want it. So I will make another video for that if you have any query. So this is all. So what we have discussed in this video is all about how your paper looks like. So you have 38 questions in total, in which the portion of marks is like that. First 20 question is of 1 marks. Then another 5 question of 2 marks, another 6 question of 3 marks, then 4 questions of 5 marks and 3 questions of 4 marks. That is a case study based question. So total gives you the 80 marks, and the 20 marks I already told you in the video. So please see the complete video so that you will get a complete portion. And if I, as a teacher, I will suggest please start the paper from the starting only, because they have arranged the paper in that order that the difficulty level is from less, then little high, then very high, and high, like this. They have maintained it. So please start from the very first question, like in the series wise, so that whatever the teacher is checking in your notebook will not get panic, right? So thank you everyone. So this is the video which I made for you. So please see it, and thank you. Bye bye everyone.